Well, it has been a while. I haven't uploaded in quite a long time, so I apologize for that, but I wanted to return with some better videos for you guys. This is one of which I've already done before, but I wanted to make a more straightforward one. There may be some repeats here and there on the channel again, who knows. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. But today's video, how to stitch patches on the Battlevests. No BS, no extra crap. Let's just get right into it. It gonna be super simple. Alright, so I got the Battlevests right over here. And all you need are a few things. So first and foremost, the patch, of course. You gotta select an area, so I might do right here, since it needs a patch there. Keep it all looking even-ish. Next we got some pins, pin it down. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I'm gonna zoom up so you can see real well what I'm doing. So I got my pin here. And first thing you want to do once you got a spot selected that you want, stab through that patch and the vest. It should look like this. And then try to keep it where you want it the best you can. And push up through another part of the vest and through the patch. That's not quite where I want it, so I'm going to do it again. And then, if you need a more detailed look, I'm pushing my finger like in, like that. And bam. That looks a bit better there. And then you just keep doing this with as many pins as you need. Alright, so once you're done, it should look a little something like that. May look a little weird right now, but it's not flat. It's a little bumped out because of the pins. But yeah, even if you've been doing this for a while like I have, you might not get it perfect the first time. So just play around with the placement and place the pins. Make sure to double check what it looks like from a distance. And then get ready to thread that needle. So yeah, first thing you'll need now is a small needle. I recommend it to be smaller because it's a lot easier to put through the patches and through the material of whatever vest you're using. Which, by the way, if you're a beginner and you never had a vest before, make sure it's thinner material because thicker material is going to be a lot harder to push through with the needle. And it'll get real frustrating and you don't want to deal with that. So taking the string, you want to have it arm's length. So it'd be spread out from one arm to your hand. Cut the string once you got it at that length. And now I'm going to show you how to thread it. So this can be a little tricky, especially if you have a smaller needle like I do. So make sure to stay where that little hole right there, I think it's picking up pretty well. And if you gotta push through real slow, that's okay. Alright, so I had to do that off camera a little. But yeah, once you got it, you can honestly just leave it like this and make sure this is down. But I like to knot it a little bit, make sure it stays on. I have a lot of trouble with it falling off sometimes, so. Alright, so now it's threaded. And at the end here, what I like to do, this is my way of doing it, I just knot it. And you just do that a couple times so it bubbles up a bit and it won't come through. Alright, so I think that should be pretty good there. Get visibly chunky. And now it's what you've all been waiting for. So, take your needle, lift up the vest. I like to do it all the way through the vest, so that's the way I will be showing you, just so you know. So, I guess I'm going to start with this corner here. And you take the needle, put through the vest like that. And then you put it through the patch. Trying to keep my finger down so you can see. Then you pull it all the way up. And I mean all the way. Now notice how the rest of the string isn't coming out. That's because of the bubbled end I have here. And you don't gotta worry about it right now. You can always cut it off later. The long part anyways. Which, by the way, who's looking inside the vest? I don't think anybody is. So I put the needle through very close by, like right here, through the vest. And then you just want to pull all the way. Make sure you don't get caught on that pin. Pull it real tight. And bam. You got your first stitch right there. And then you keep going the rest of the way using the same process. So I'll do it again. I'm getting as close to the edge as possible. Take it, pull it all the way up, all the way through the vest and the patch. Take it very, very close to the patch. Go through the vest, pull, and bam, another stitch. Now when you're done stitching all the way, it should look like this. And you'll have the end of the string here. All you need to do is knot it up and everything should stay together. Try to get as close to the bottom as possible here. It takes a while, but it'll get there. That way you don't have a whole lot of the string poking out. Alright, so when you're satisfied with it, just snip off the long part. And even trim this a bit. And you're done. Now, you can remove the pins. And you got yourself a patch sewn on your vest. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it helped you out. I know I did things kind of my way more than anything, but if it helped you out, I'm so happy about that. So hopefully it's understandable, hopefully it helps you out. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like so I know, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll give you a full shot of this for the outro. See you in the next video, everyone.